I will talk about how can you add your birthday on your Eyecon app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on your name here, just click on it. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, so you just come here to your birthday here, and here can you change your birthday in this list here. Can you change it like you see here? So that's all you have to do to add or change your birthday here. When you down click on OK, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.